children. Already we know that meaning of arithmetic progression and the general term of arithmetic progression and general form of arithmetic progression. Today let us know about the types of arithmetic progression. There are two types in arithmetic progression, that is finite AP and infinite AP. AP means arithmetic progression. Already we know that the meaning of finite. Finite means countable numbers. That countable numbers we will use in arithmetic progression. That's why we call as finite AP. And AP consists of finite number of terms is called as a finite arithmetic progression. Example 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. In this series only 5 terms are there. We can count this series. That's why this we call as a finite arithmetic progression. And infinite means uncountable numbers or things. And any series in AP, the number of terms we can't count, that is uncountable, is called as a infinite arithmetic progression. Example 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. Means in this series so many terms are there, we can't count. That's why this one we call as a infinite arithmetic progression. Based on yesterday's concept and today's concept, let us solve few problems. Here first term a equal to 10 and common difference d equal to 10 given. We have to find first 4 terms of the arithmetic progression. A1 means first term, this is always equal to A, that is 10. And second term we have to find. A2 is equals to first term A1 plus common difference B we have to add to this is equals to A1 is 10 plus common difference is 10. Add these two, 10 plus 10 equal to 20. And third term also we have to find. A3 is equals to second term A2 plus common difference D. A2 already we got the answer, that is 20 plus common difference D is 10. Add these two, 20 plus 10 equal to 30. Like this only we have to find the fourth term. A4 is equals to third term A3 plus common difference D equal to A3 we got the answer, that is 30 plus common difference is 10. Add these two, we get 30 plus 10 equal to 40. Therefore the first 4 terms of the AP are, that is first term 10, second term is 20, third term is 30 and fourth term is 14. In this method only let us solve one more problem, that is first term A equal to minus 1 and common difference D equal to 1 by 2. Already we know A1 is the first term, it is also equal to A, that is minus 1. Let us find second term A2 is equals to first term A1 plus common difference D is equals to A1 is minus 1 plus common difference D equal to 1 by 2. Subtract these two numbers, we will get minus 1 by 2. Next, like this only we have to find the third term. A3 is equals to second term plus common difference D. A2 already we got the answer, that is minus 1 by 2. To this add common difference, that is 1 by 2 is equals to, subtract these two, we will get 0. Like this only find the fourth term. A4 is equals to third term A3 plus common difference D is equals to, third term how much we got here, 0 plus common difference D is 1 by 2. Add these two numbers, 0 plus 1 by 2 is equals to 1 by 2. Therefore the first four terms of the AP are first term how much? -1. Second term will be -1/2. Third term is 0 and fourth term is plus 1/2. One more kind. Here AP series they given, that is 3, 1, -1, -3. In this we have to find the first term and also common difference. Already we know that the first number itself, the first term, that is A equal to 3. Next find the common difference D equal to. Common difference D formula is A2 minus A1. A2 is second term minus first term. A2 here 1 minus first term will be 3. Subtract these two, we will get -2. Like this only. Let us solve one more problem. That is 1/3, 5/3, 9/3, 13/3. In this series also we have to find the first term and also common difference. The first number itself, the first term, that is A equal to 1/3, and common difference D equal to difference between second term and the first term. D equal to second term A2 minus first term is A1. This is equals to second term will be 5/3 minus first term will be 1/3. Subtract these two. Denominators are same. Easily we can subtract the numerators. That is 5 minus 1 is 4 divided by 3. Let us solve one more different kind. That is, we have to find this series of numbers are in AP or not. If it is in AP, next for 3 terms we have to find. Okay, means if these terms are in AP or not, first we have to check that. Means find the common difference between the terms. That is A2 minus A1. Second term is 4 minus first term is 2. We will get 2. And A3 minus A2. Difference between third term and second term. That is 8 minus 4 is equals to 4. Next, difference between fourth term and third term. A4 minus A3. That is 16 minus 8 equal to 8. Observe children here. Common difference is different. We won't get the equal common difference. Therefore, A2 minus A1 is not equal to A3 minus A2 is not equal to A4 minus A3. Means common difference is different. Therefore, 2, 4, 8, 16, etc. or so on are not in AP. Let us solve one more problem. Here also, list of numbers they given. First we have to find it is in AP or not. If it is in AP, later we have to find the next 3 terms. First find the common difference. A2 minus A1 is equals to, A2 will be, that is second term will be 5/2 minus first term will be 2. Here, subtract these two numbers. Here in first number fraction they given, that is denominator have to, inside the first term, denominator will be 1. Take LCM for 2 and 1, it will be 2. And here already LCM 2 is there, nothing we should multiply to numerator. Keep 5 as it is. Minus here in second term in denominator 1 is there, we should equalize to this one. That's why we should multiply to 2 here. Same 2 we should multiply to numerator also. Now multiply these two. 2 into 2 equal to 4. Now subtract these two numbers. 5 minus 4 is 1 divided by 2. Like this only. Find the difference between third term and second term. A3 minus A2. Third term will be 3 minus second term will be 5 by 2. Here also we should equalize the denominator. LCM will be 2 here. Here in denominator 1 is there. Multiply to 2 here to equalize the denominator. Multiply it. 3 2s are 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5 equal to 1 divided by 2. Next, difference between fourth term and third term. Fourth term is here 7 by 2 minus third term will be 3 is equals to. Here also in denominator 1 is there. LCM for 2 and 1 is 2. Here keep 7 as it is minus. Here to equalize the denominator multiply 2 and multiply 2 to numerator also. 3 2s are 6. 7 minus 6 equal to 1 by 2. Observe the children, common difference will be same here. That's why we have to find the next 3 terms. If common difference is same, we can understand that the given list of numbers are in AP. That's why next 3 numbers we have to find. Therefore, A2 minus A1 is equals to A3 minus A2 is equals to A4 minus A3. Therefore, 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2 and so on are in AP. We have to find the next 3 terms now. Yes, now these numbers are in AP. We have to find the next 3 terms. That's why here fourth term is 7 by 2. So this fourth term, add the common difference, that is 1 by 2 is equals to, add these two numbers we will get 8 by 2. 8 by 2 is nothing but 4, that is cancel it. 2 1s are 2 4s are 8. Okay, it is nothing but which term? Fifth term here. And next find the sixth term, that is to this fifth term and 1 by 2. Okay, here instead of 4 easily we can take 8 by 2, no, because easily we can add the numbers. That's why instead of 4 I am taking here 8 by 2 only. Add these two, we will get 9 by 2. That is sixth term. Next, like this only find the seventh term. That is to this sixth term, add the common difference 1 by 2 is equals to 10 by 2. Cancel it, 2 1s are 2 5s are is equals to 5. Therefore, the next 3 terms of an AP are 4, 9 by 2, 5. Like that. What the previous problem we solved, like that only. Let us solve one more problem. But here root numbers they given. First we have to solve this root numbers. Okay. Keep root 2 as it is. And 8 we can write it as 4 into 2. That is 4 2s are 8. 1 is the square number and 1 is the non-square number. Why I used square number means easily we have to take out from the root. And 18 we can write it as 9 2s are 18 here. Here also 9 is a square number and 2 is a non-square number. And root 32 also we can write it as 16 2s are 32. Here also 16 is the root number. Now keep root 2 as it is. Square root of 4 is 2. Keep root 2 as it is. And square root of 9 is 3. And 2 remained inside the root. Write it as it is. Square root of 16 is 4. and 2 remains inside the root, keep it as it is. Now we have to find these numbers are in AP or not. Means we have to find the common difference. That is A2 minus A1. Second term is here 2 root 2 minus first term is root 2 here. Root 2 is common. Take it out. We will get 2 minus 1 remain here because root 2 only is there. That root 2 only we took as a common. That's why 1 remains. This is equals to root 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. Either 1 we can write or we don't write. That is understood. This is also equal to root 2 also. Next, find the difference between third term and second term. Third term is 3 root 2 minus second term is 2 root 2. Again root 2 is common. What left? 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is also 1. Keep root 2 as it is. Next, like this only difference between fourth term and third term. Fourth term is 4 root 2 minus third term is 3 root 2. Here root 2 is common again. What left? 4 minus 3 left. 4 minus 3 is nothing but 1. Keep root 2 as it is. Observe the children. Common difference is same. Therefore, these terms are in AP only. Right. Therefore, A2 minus A1 equal to A3 minus A2 is equal to A4 minus A3. Therefore, root 2, root 8, root 18, root 32 and so on are in AP. Next, here 4 terms they given. We have to find the 5th, 6th and 7th term. That is 5th term equal to, that is 4th term. Instead of this 4th term I am taking what I solved this one to 4 root 2. Take it this one. 4 root 2 plus common difference will be 1 root 2. 1 root 2 is nothing but root 2 also. Now root 2 is common. 4 plus 1 is 5 root 2. And this 5 root 2 equal to 5 take inside the root number. It will be square. 5 square will be 25. 25 to the 15. That is root 15. Next, find the 6th term. 6th term equal to 5th term. 5th term will be root 50. Instead of this, I am taking 5 root 2 plus common difference will be 1 root 2 is equals to, add these two numbers, we will get 6 root 2. 6 root 2 is nothing but, take 6 inside the root, it will be square number. That is 6 square will be 36. 36 to the root 72. Next, find the 7th term. Instead of root 72, I am taking here 6 root 2 because to add easily to the root numbers. 6 root 2 plus common difference will be 1 root 2. Add these numbers, we will get 7 root 2. 7 root 2 is nothing but, take 7 inside the root, we will get 7 square. 7 square will be 49. 49 to the root 98. Therefore, the next 3 terms of an APR, which is that root 50, root 72, root 98. Yes, let us solve one more problem, that is 1 square, 3 square, 5 square, 7 square and so on. First we should check this list of numbers are in AP or not. Means find the difference now. A2 minus A1. A2 is 3 square minus A1 is 1 square. Find the difference now. Means 3 square they given. 3 square value is 9 minus 1 square value is 1. 9 minus 1 is 8 here. Next, difference between third term and second term. Third term is 5 square minus second term is 3 square. 5 square is 25 minus 3 square is 9. 25 minus 9 is 16. And difference between fourth term and third term. Fourth term is 7 square minus third term is 5 square. 7 square value is 49 minus 5 square value is 25. Subtract it. 9 minus 5 is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. 24 we got. Children, observe here. Common difference is observe the children's here. Common difference is different. We not got equal. Therefore, A2 minus A1 is not equal to A3 minus A2 is not equal to A4 minus A3. If common difference is not equal, therefore the given list of numbers are not in AP. Therefore, 1 square, 3 square, 5 square, 7 square and so on are not in AP.